Hi students, welcome back to the maths class. Today we will be learning whole numbers 3. Let's begin with the mental math. In the mental math, teacher will be asking you simple questions in the class. Lesson 1. Counting in 2's, 5's and 10's. The objective is make and continue number patterns by counting in 2's, 5's and 10. Counting by 2's. Students, we all have learned this. For revising it, I want you to watch this video. Now let's learn again. When we count in 2, on the number chart, we skip one number and then we take the next number. Now for example, 1 I skipped, I take 2. 3 I skipped, I took 4. 5 I skipped, I take 6. Like that, the next number will be 8, correct, 10, 12, 14, and what would be the next? Yes, 16 would be the next number when I count in 2's. We all have learned this. Now, when I want to count back, the same number when we were doing the same pattern what we were doing in counting on, we will be repeating the same but counting back. So let me start. 20. When I count back, I will skip 19 and what would be the next number? 18. I will skip 17. 16 would be the next. Now like that, 14, 12, 10, 8 and 6. This is how we count back in 2's. This is the simple whiteboard 5 exercise which we will be doing in the class. You have to write the missing number. What missing number will be there when we are counting in 2's? This we will be doing in the class. Now the next one is counting by 5's. The same pattern we will be using it here, but we will count by 5's. So when I count by 5's, I will skip 4 numbers in between like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You can take help of your fingers to count on here. For more, I want you to watch this YouTube link. Now, when we count back in 5's, if I start by 30, can you tell me what would be the next number? If I count back, exactly 25. Again, 20. Correct. Can you guess the next number if I count back? Very good. 15. And what would be the next? Perfect. 10 would be the next. So this is how we count back in 5's. Now, we will practice this in the class. You can solve it on your whiteboard or we can do it on the whiteboard 5. Similarly, we will be doing it counting by 10's. This is the simplest way. We have learned this, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. What I am doing? I am counting by 10's. So, can you see? These are the counting by 10's from 10 to 100. Now, you have to find the mistake in this image. Can you find the mistake? Prepare yourself and come in the class. Find the mistake. Now, we will be doing this exercise in whiteboard 5. Here, we will be counting in 10's. If I start by 22, the next number is 32, right? But what after 32? Which number will be here? We will have fun and learn in the class. Similarly, the same thing for these 3 questions. After the whiteboard exercise, we will be playing quizzes in the class. Now, lesson 2, counting in constant step. Counting in 3's. Student, on a number chart, when I count in 3, I will skip every 2 numbers in between and I will consider the third number. Okay, so in the number chart, I will skip 1 and 2 and I will tick number 3. Then I will skip 4, 5. I will tick 6. Then I will skip 7, 8. Then I will tick 9. Like that, you will be counting in 3's. You can take the help of your fingers also. On your fingers, on the 3 fingers, whatever the third number is coming, that number you will be considering when you are counting in 3's. Okay, student. So these are the number flashcards on the screen. So if I count in 3's, there will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Can you see here? We are just taking every third number on the number chart. These are the constant, we can say the steps which we will be following throughout the lesson. Now in the class we will be doing this whiteboard activity wherein we will be counting in 3's. Let's see till where you can count. Similarly, how we did for 3, like what the steps we followed for counting in 2's, counting in 5's, counting in 3's. Same steps we will be following for counting in 4's. Okay, so on the hand you can took 4 fingers. Okay, now every fourth number on your finger will be your counting in 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. So every fourth number on your finger will be counting in 4's, right? Or you can do with the help of your number chart as well. Count the 4 blocks. Every fourth block will be the number of counting in 4's. See now, from 0. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I circled. Now what would be the next number? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 is the next number now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 is the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 is the next number. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 is the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 is the next number. Like that we will be continuing till 59. Now help Newton to find his way out of the maze. Now you will be shading the part by counting in 4's up to 40. Now you have to find what number would come next if I count in 4's. So that would be the path for this Newton to go to the home. This we will be doing it whiteboard 5. Now counting in step. This is like this you may find difficult, but it is really easy. Every sixth number on your finger would come in counting in 6. Okay, take 6 fingers. Now if I start from 1, at the end I will stop at number 6. Now again start from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I again got number 12. Like that, whatever number is coming on your 6th finger will come on counting in 6th. Okay. Now here is a different insect. Now we have to find him the way to go out of this maze by counting in 6. We will have fun while doing this activity in the class. Now student, in the math book we will be writing counting in 5, 6 and 7. Now workbook challenge. In the workbook we will be doing page number 18, challenge 2. Skip count the cherries in 3's. Here down we will write the skip count number and we will count how many cherries are there. Now quiz time. Students, we will have the quizzes in the class. Okay student, thank you so much for listening to your math teacher. We will meet soon in the class. Bye students.